Hey, what's up, guys? So, hey, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment on the next video you guys want to see. So guys, this was a video one of my somebody commented wanted to send to me, and I was basically taking a look at it, and let's take a look. Let's see what's going on with the housing market so far, because this is pretty funny. It's pretty funny.
Home values fell in 27 states last month, and nearly 500,000 more sellers than buyers are in the market. That's a new record. Real estate guy Mitch Rochelle, is that a glimmer of hope for values down in 27 states, more sellers than buyers? Is that a hopeful sign?
More sellers than buyers, supply and demand. That's why values are falling on the margin. But if you're a home buyer and there's more homes on the market, that's a good thing, right? The issue that has plagued this housing market is a lack of supply of homes. So the fact that we're seeing people put their homes on the market and there's homes that are actually available to buy, I think that that's a good thing for the industry. And if that trend continues, then there's, homes for people to buy. And if prices are falling, that means the first-time home buyer may have a shot at that home.
But what about 7% 30-year fixed-rate mortgages? Is there any sign that that mortgage rate is going to come down appreciably in the future?
I'm glad you didn't pull the tape from me from 4 years ago when I said that mortgage rates would hit 2%, so I appreciate that, Stuart. But the fact of the matter is there's a problem brewing in the bond market. These treasury auctions that go on are creating a lot of volatility in the treasury market. Mortgage rates are tied to treasury yields, so I don't see interest rates coming down, writ large. So I think we have to, as home buyers and people in the industry, get used to the 7% mortgage. More likely to go to 8 than it is to go to 6.
Is there anything positive, really positive, that you can report for us this morning on the real estate market?
I'm seeing, even though last time I was on, I talked about home builder optimism being, at a multi-year low, I'm seeing home builders out there building homes, and they're building smaller homes because they're very focused on price. So people that want an entry-level new home, it may be a little smaller than the one you would have bought a couple of years ago, but I'm seeing activity amongst home builders. And again, I'll start with where the first question you asked me. I think 500,000 more homes on the market is a really good thing for the housing market, because you know what? When there was no homes on the market, they were slim pickings, and you were going to buy it and then run right to Home Depot to start fixing it up.
Every time we bring you on the show, I ask for a glimmer of hope, and you can usually provide me with something. That was pretty good.
Hopefully I did. Pretty good. I'm going to go for excellent next time.
Well, the English would say not bad. Depends on tone of voice, of course.
Okay, so watching that, right? So basically what really kind of stood out to me is just the fact that, so what really stood out to me is that, what I can say that what really stood out to me is, it kind of sounds like a good thing, but then again, it sounds like a bad thing, right? But from how I see it, I'm a real estate investor, right? So we have to watch the real estate market, the real estate news, to kind of see what's going on. But just looking at this, this is something on the good side where, if you've been trying to actually get into real estate, this could low-key kind of be like this could kind of be your chance, right? Or because how you see it is that there's less competition, right? As you guys can see, based on what he reported, was majority of the fact that we have about 1.9 million people who are selling versus 1.4 people who are buying. Guys, if you're trying to kind of get into the space of investing, that's really a good sign. But then again, here's the catch, right? So it's a catch, just looking at it, it's a catch where we look at it because it doesn't mean just because there's either more land or there's more houses, it doesn't mean that it's always in the right place, right? So then again, it's like you could have a lot of new land or houses that might be in areas that people don't want to live in. That could also be another reason. Or probably houses are just not selling as fast. It might be fix and flips, people who are trying to sell houses, but they can't really sell it probably due to the market. But guys, if you're basically trying to invest, or you're just trying to basically do your homework on how you can invest more into real estate, guys, look, do your homework. every single day the market is changing, but there's still the opportunities. I mean, I will say that. But guys, that's really about it. Let me know what you guys want to see on the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for my next real estate update. Peace.